going to discuss a new topic which is called Matplotlib. So basically, first we understand that what is a Matplotlib. Matplotlib is an incredible tool for the to-do arrays display in the Python, built on NumPy array and designed to interact with the wider SciPy stack. A Matplotlib is a multi-platform data visualization package. It was launched in 2002 by John Hunter. One of the major advantages is the fact that visual access in readily consumable images is possible to large volume of data. There are various Matplotlib parts such as line, bar, scatter, histogram, etc. So first we are going to install the Matplotlib package in our computer. So let me do practically. So first we are going to open our command prompt. Then we have to just copy paste this command and run in our command prompt. Yeah, just copy paste the command and then enter. Now you can see that my computer is start installing the package. Now my computer, the Matplotlib package is already installed, so it says that requirement already satisfied. Now after installation, we are going to import the Matplotlib package in our editor. So there are two ways to import the Matplotlib package. First is from Matplotlib import pyplot. The second method is import matplotlib.pyplot. Now we are going to understand some basic plots in our Matplotlib. Matplotlib comes with a wide range of varieties of plot. Plots helps to understand trends, patterns, and to make correlations. They are typically instruments for reasoning about the quantitative information, and some of the sample plots are covered here. So guys, now we are going to understand the code of line plot. So as usual, we are going to import our Matplotlib package in our editor. So we are using second method here, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And the second thing we are going to import is import numpy as np. We already discussed that what is numpy. Numpy is an array which are used to handle the array operations, 2D array operations or the 1D array operations. Now here we are going to create array with a range from 0 to 2 with a step of 0.01. Now here's a formula for creating a graph. Actually the graph is shown in the figure is the sine graph. So we are creating here sine function, and we are going to use subplot function. Subplot function is a function to create a plot of our function which we are declared here. So now we use ax.plot and we pass our array and our function. Now we set that x label as a time and the y level as a voltage. The x level and y level is not showing in the figure, so we'll mention that. And title we are going to put here line plot. We also can change the style of line, color of line, also many things. So also we have put the grid in our graph. So for that we use the grid function ax.grid. Now at last we use plt.show function to show the graph on the screen. Let me just copy paste this code and run in my editor, so you will be better understand how it will work. So now we are going to run this code. You can see that. Let me just create it's I think imported. in school. The big problem in Python because we have to remove the indentation. So now we are going to run the Python program, and as you can see that the line plot is showing off screen. So this is how you are going to plot for many diagrams. Like we have first we have draw the line plot, then as usual we can draw the multiple subplots. Multiple subplot is like we have to draw 2 or 3 graphs in a one picture, so we can draw. Next is our histograms. Histogram, you can also refer to the documentation for the deeply discuss, and for the documentation link you can go to the last, and here's the documentation for the Matplotlib doc. Yeah, here you can see that in the Matplotlib documentation. So thank you guys.